Hello Paradigm Kids, I hope in my heart that it's going well. Come join me for today's lesson.
Welcome to the Paradigm Kids video class.
What exactly is a hurricane? A hurricane is a large rotating storm with high-speed winds that forms over warm waters in tropical areas. Hurricanes have more continuous winds in an area of low air pressure. The low air pressure in the center of the hurricane is called the eye. Hurricanes bring high winds, heavy rains, floods, and a storm surge from the ocean that can cause terrible devastation. A hurricane has different names. The scientific name for a hurricane is a tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclones go by different names in different places. But how does a hurricane form? Hurricanes form in the summer and fall when the water in the ocean is warm. Hurricanes get their energy from warm ocean water. When the warm, moist air over the water rises, it is replaced with cooler air. The cooler air will then warm and start to rise. This cycle causes huge storm clouds to form around the center of the eye. These storm clouds will begin to rotate with the spin of the earth, forming an organized system. If there's enough warm water, the cycle will continue and the storm clouds and the wind speeds will grow, causing a hurricane to form. A hurricane has different parts. The eye is at the center of the hurricane. The eye is an area of very low air pressure. There are no clouds in the eye and the wind is calm. But don't let this fool you. However, the most dangerous part of the storm is at the edge of the eye, called the eye wall. Around the outside of the eye is a wall made up of very heavy clouds. This is the most dangerous part of the hurricane and where the highest speed winds are. Rain bands. Hurricanes have large spirally bands of rain called rain bands. These bands can drop huge amounts of rainfall, causing flooding when the hurricane hits land. Diameter. Hurricanes can become huge storms. The diameter of the hurricane is measured from one side to the other. And lastly, the height. The storm clouds that power hurricanes can become are very tall. Why are hurricanes dangerous? When hurricane strikes land, they can cause huge amounts of damage. Most of the damage is caused by flooding and storm surge. Storm surge is when the ocean level rises at the coastline due to the power of the storm. Hurricanes also cause damage with high wind speeds that can blow down trees and even damage homes. Many hurricanes can develop several small tornadoes as well. But what can we do before a hurricane? Have a disaster kit that consists of water, 3 days worth of food, batteries, flashlights, first aid kit and cell phones. Always have a full gas tank because gas is usually one of the first things that runs out before a hurricane. What do we do during a hurricane? Stay inside and away from windows, skylights and glass doors. Find a safe area in your home. If flooding threatens your home, turn off electricity at the main breaker. If you lose power, turn off major appliances such as the air conditioner and water heater to reduce damage. Do not use electrical appliances, including your computer. Do not go outside. Be aware of lightning. Stay away from electrical equipment and do not use a phone or take a bath or shower during this storm. And after a hurricane, always remain indoors until an official all clear is given. Do not touch any fallen or low-hanging wires of any kind under any circumstances. Always remember this important information. In our next lesson, we will discuss tornadoes. That's it for today, Paradigm Kids. Please remember to share what you have learned. See you next time.